Right, yeah. This show in Busumbala, it was definitely nice. It was nice. We didn't have it like how we wanted because there was like some some interruption, especially the people from Busumbala. Definitely, we were not very happy. Yeah, what they did, we were not happy. The whole crew, Smile Nation crew, Laminator crew, we were not happy about Busumbala, like how they just come to break up Laminator so in Busumbala, because me, I never knew exactly what was going on. I came to the show, it was like I think around 1 o'clock I came there, so I found that not a lot of people are there. So then they told me, the promoter told me, what this guy did here is very bad, because the people of Busumbala, they organized a free show, at the street, just at the corner, where we are having our show. So then I heard that, they organized a street show, which was free, just at the corner of Busumbala Hall, where we are doing our party. So you will see that our party was interrupted and people didn't turn out because of the street show that they organized at the other side in Busumbala. So that was the big problem for us, because the crowd that we were expecting, we didn't see this crowd, and we were asking ourselves what was wrong. And they told us, they organized a street show here, free, where there is a lot of people going to. And we see that that is not nice, because we are all Gambia, we are all Gambian, and we are doing this for Gambia. So when we found out that there are some people beside who are just trying to fight you, or who are just trying to break your things, that is not nice. It's not nice. I'm definitely disappointed to those promoters that organized this show, because they say that the name Laminator is too much in the city, it's too much in town. Laminator everywhere, Laminator. So they just organized their show to come and sabotage Laminator show. But this is how it is. Life is like that. We were disappointed. I was thinking that like Busumbala, is also part of Gambia, and we are all Gambian. So when we organize our show, it's not nice for another promoter to come and organize another show just to sabotage you or to provoke you. That is not nice. Yeah, of course, we are not from Busumbala. And, when we say that, like, we want to do our program in Busumbala, doesn't mean that, we are coming there to Busumbala to do bad things there. Or we are coming there to Busumbala to make a lot of money. For me, I don't do this show to make money. I came here to Gambia to share my love with the people, But still now, I just have to say, thank you so much. Big up yourself, Smile Nation and the crew. Big up yourself for the hard working you did, the whole time promoting the show, and tirelessly, printing the flyers, the posters, and we have done everything that we can. Definitely, we have done everything that we can to make sure that this show is successful. You see that Laminator, I landed in almost all radio stations here in Gambia. I landed here in all TV stations in Gambia here, the newspapers. So the promotion was definitely fantastic. At the end of the day, some bad mind people behind the scene, just go on there and organize their own show, just to make sure that our show is not successful. That was definitely bad, but our show was successful. It was fantastic. The people that were there, they really enjoy it. They really have a nice time. And the artists also that turned out, to give the love to the people, like artists like Baba Blood, big up yourself, So, but one thing we have to, address here in Gambia, I am not living in Gambia, but the way I see the Gambian music scene is moving, definitely it's not nice, especially the promoters that are organizing the shows. They have to be communicative, because we didn't know that these people are organizing a free street show in Busumbala, just at the corner of Busumbala Hall. We never knew that. If I knew that they have organized a show there in Busumbala, a street show, which will be free, we will cancel our show. We will cancel our show. But I never knew that these people, they organized a show there at the corner, of Busumbala Hall. So I was thinking that, I knew that, of course, there is a show in Brikama Box Bar. Garibao Kuyate was launching his album, At the same time, Q City also, Stylo G was there, and almost all the other Gambian artists are there. I can say the biggest Gambian artists are all in Q City in this night. So you will see that it was a difficult night for Busumbala Hall, for the Smile Nation and the crew. It was a difficult night because the competition was too high at this night. At the same time, just in Busumbala there, the people of Busumbala organized their street show, which is totally undone. You can't do that. You can't see that somebody organizes his show and do the whole promotion, do everything. At the end of the day, you want to stop this guy from doing his show. It was not nice. I think that there was lack of communication. Or I don't know whether it's just like a wickedness or bad mind. I don't know, because they could have told us. Especially there is an artist from Busumbala itself is part of my show. He is there on my lineup. He's from Busumbala, and we were thinking that he's also doing promotion for the show to also come there with his fans. But he never did that, which is also disappointing. An artist contacted you to be part of his show, and you said yes, I will be there. No problem, I will be part of your show. And they were doing the promotion. I even visit this guy up to where he lives. We passed him there some posters, to post it. But he never posts them. And he never promoted the show. So on our show date, he went to the other side, where they organized this free show. He went there. And even some of my fans come to Busumbala. They want to come to Busumbala Hall, but they end up landed there because they think that is the place where my show was. And my show was at the other side. So you see, everything was confusing, The only thing that make it a little bit sad is that they tried to destroy the show, but they could not make it. Yeah, they have no chance, because they know that Laminator, we are smarter than them, we are stronger than them, and this is just giving us the fire and more motivation. You see me? We are never stopping it from there. From there, we are coming harder and harder and harder. Yeah. So this is how it was, in Busumbala. I was thinking that let me come to life and then share some, information with the people that we are asking, because I have a lot of questions, a lot of messages from people that we are totally interested to know how the show went. So this is how it was. It was nice, but the place was not full because of there was, some people around that tried to destroy the thing. And of course, the night was totally a hard night for us because, there was a lot of shows in the city, in the Gambia. Everywhere is show on this night, on the 6th of March. So it was definitely a hard competition for us. But, definitely, we did it. And everybody was happy that turned out to be part of the show. Yeah, so we have to say again, thank you so much to all the Laminator fans that we are supporting from the beginning.
Welcome to Gam Music Entertainment Feats.